Hello everyone. Well, within a week I found another YZ80H, which I didn't expect, but I bought it anyway. This one's more of a Bitzer. It's got parts from other bikes, like the front guards are KTM and the rear guards are Suzuki, but it comes with a lot of spares. It's got a spare seat, and then it's got a spare engine. So the history behind this bike, the engine here's got the chain, it's gone and wrecked where the clutch goes, so that's the matching number. A new engine has been put in a long time ago and now that's worn out, so the old engine's all in parts. I've got the spare gearbox crank, clutch covers, all the engine mounting bolts, so some of that gear I'll need for the other bike that I started last week. It's got a better seat, the mudguard rubber looks good. So I ended up having a muffler on it from a F, I think. So I've just put my spare H1 on. I tried starting it, I put so much fuel down the plug, got it to pop over, but as you can see, there's no compression, not much at all. What else there? So it's got original H rear swing arm, back wheels are J, the front one's a H, the side plastic there will come up clean. If I ever get a new seat cover that would look good. The tank looks a bit better than my last one, it's just coloured, which will probably clean up better. It's got better handlebars than the other one, and the original throttle and stopper. It's had a flat side carby fitted so the airbox won't fit in. I'm going to use this bike to finish off all the other ones, so it's got the sprocket housing and the chain adjusters that the other one didn't. I really don't know what that's welded on for, whether it was to stop kids at the time getting their pants caught on the chain. So I'm keen to have a look over the two of them and see what we've got to put it back together. So even in the box got spare clutch, all the electrics, all the gearbox, the crank. And they all look good, not rusty, which is good. Yeah, thanks for watching again. I'll do a while before this one gets going. Just one more last look. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. See ya.